Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're going to talk about something a little bit different. We're going to talk about grammar. That way you'll be ready for our grammar lesson tomorrow. The first thing I want to focus on is a review of our nouns. We studied nouns earlier in the year, and you know that a noun is a word that means the same thing as a person, a place, or a thing. That could be a teacher, a store, a dog, a cloud, a boy, or a beach. If you are watching this on a tablet right now, you're watching it on a noun. If you're sitting in a chair, you're sitting on a noun. All those things are nouns. Now let's move our focus on to something new, and it's probably a review from second grade. We're going to learn about verbs. And a verb's a word that tells what's happening or has already happened. It's the action. Some examples would be sit, played, run, grow, sleep, or smile. And verbs can be plain or they can be really exciting. Using the correct verb will also help you in your writing. We want to make sure that we have a really good grasp of verbs and how to use them so that when you write stories or write informational text, you can convey your message to the reader in the best possible way. So you're going to have a short assignment tonight. I'd like for you on a piece of paper to write down these two verbs. Talk and jump. You have talk and you have jump. I'd like for you to write those verbs down. Now, I want you to dig really deep into your schema and think about what you already know about the words jump and talk. I know you know other words for jump and other words for talk. I'd like for you to come up with at least two other words that mean the same thing as jump and that mean the same thing as talk and put them underneath those words. We'll see who can think of the most verbs that mean the same thing but are a little more exciting. Then we'll have a great list to write on a chart and put up for an extra resource at writing time. We use talk a lot in our writing, so this should really come in handy. I hope that you'll think about this and that you'll come to class prepared tomorrow with other verbs that mean the same as jump and mean the same as talk. These are also known as synonyms, and we'll study more about those later. But right now I want you to think about digging deep and thinking of words that you can use in place of these verbs to make your writing better. We're going to study a lot about verbs between now and Christmas. You'll learn that verbs have different tenses. You might have something in the past tense, in the present tense, which means it's happening right now, or in the future tense. And you'll learn how to make those fit and make your writing be the best it can be. Until then, I'd like for you to complete the assignment for me and bring it in tomorrow. In addition, I'd like for you to write down the secret password on a separate piece of scrap paper, and please be sure to include your name so that you get credit for knowing the password. Now, without further ado, I need to give you that password. And the password today is fly. The password is fly. Wonder if I mean fly like the verb or fly like the noun. You can guess and see what you think, and I'll tell you tomorrow. Have a great night. Thanks.